I'm Laura Daly, Associate Attorney at Swartz Swartz. Today I want to talk to you about pain and suffering. Most of you have heard the term pain and suffering, but what is pain and suffering from a legal perspective? Pain and suffering is a term that's used by attorneys when they are discussing and negotiating the value of your case. In general, pain and suffering is physical and emotional stress caused by an injury. Sometimes pain and suffering can be the loss of the enjoyment of the things that are important to you. Unfortunately, in some cases, pain and suffering is something that you have to live with. For example, I had a case where an avid bicyclist was injured on his bike and he really enjoyed riding his bike, and unfortunately, he was unable to ride his bike for the same amount of distances that he was once able to. This really affected his quality of life. Another example in many cases that I see are clients and victims who have to have metal plates and screws implanted as a result of an injury. And every time that it gets cold, they feel those screws and they feel the metal, and it reminds them of what happened to them. This can highly affect your quality of life. Knowing how to put a value on something as intangible as pain and suffering is our job as attorneys. At Swartz Swartz, we consider all aspects of how an injury affects you, and we make sure that you are adequately compensated for your pain and suffering. If you or someone you know has been injured at no fault of their own, contact us at Swartz Swartz.